Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a blueberry margarita. Start by muddling a half cup of blueberries with simple syrup until broken down and juicy. Add 2 ounces tequila, 1 ounce triple sec, and 1 ounce fresh lime juice to a shaker filled with ice. Shake vigorously for about 15 seconds to chill and blend flavors, then prepare to strain into a glass rimmed with salt or sugar for a bright finish. Prepare your tools and glass before mixing to keep the process smooth and fast. Muddle blueberries and syrup first, then add spirits and lime to the shaker so everything blends evenly. Use plenty of ice when shaking to properly dilute and chill the drink, about 15 seconds of hard shaking. Strain into the chilled, rimmed glass over fresh ice and garnish with a lime wheel or a few whole blueberries for visual appeal. If you prefer a frozen margarita, blend your muddled blueberries with ice and the same liquid ratios until slushy and smooth. Try reposado tequila for a deeper, slightly oaky profile, or use blanco for a brighter, cleaner taste that highlights the blueberries. For a lighter cocktail, reduce syrup and add a splash of soda. For stronger flavor, muddle more berries or use blueberry liqueur sparingly to boost fruitiness without over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.